Hey folks, today is December the 3rd. It's the start of a new month here. Let's go ahead and jump into our Agimat EA week number 36 live testing review. If you recall, last week we earned 1.64% with Agimat, and the week before that we had a small loss of 0.94%. All right, let's go ahead and jump in and see how we did this week. I have been monitoring things throughout the week. I know we do have a bit of drawdown going into the weekend, but as you can see, our overall gain is now at 59.40, and equity curve still looks nice. We did have this pullback where we took those losses there. I believe that was from the GBP NZD pair. I'm pretty sure it was. All right, let's go ahead and jump in. And as we can see here, wow. So this week we actually earned 1.68%. And that should be, looks like right around what we earned last week. Let me go back here real quick. Okay, so 1.64% is what we earned last week here. And let's get back to the MyFX book page. And it looks like our demo account likewise is doing very well also. All right, so as we scroll down here again, 1.68%. This week we made a little over $100. Looks like we made about $3.73 more than what we earned last week. So definitely happy to see that. We definitely, as I stated earlier, do have some drawdown. We'll take a look at that momentarily. And we were able to close out the month of November up 2.78%. All right, and we are, 3 days into December, and we're already pretty close to 1%. So definitely excited to see how things go for the month of December. I know typically the closer we get to the new year around this time, things kind of get a little wonky in the markets. I know a lot of the big traders, they go on vacation in the month of December, and things don't really kind of kick back into high gear until early in the new year. So we're going to see how Agimat performs during this period of time. And as you guys can see here, definitely did recover quite a bit. Where is this at here? November 18th. Then we got a bit more drawdown here. So we're going to see how Agimat does going into next week and into the new year here. All right, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at the news before we jump into the VPS here. Looks like Monday, not a whole lot on Monday. All right, Tuesday we had CAD GDP, Fed Chair Powell speaks, and Australian GDP. On Wednesday, we had ADP non-farm employment change. On Thursday, let's see here, not much Thursday, unemployment claims. And on Friday, we had Canadian employment claims and unemployment rate. We also had non-farm payroll this week as well. And looks like ISM services PMI at 10 a.m. All right, so we had a few. Let me get back here so I don't forget to check out these MyFX book accounts after we check out mine. All right, let's jump into the VPS. All right, as you guys can see here, we got smiley faces pretty much should be across the board here. And statement uploaded successfully. So everything is doing what it should be doing. And as I mentioned earlier, 1,763 going into the weekend. So definitely a bit of drawdown going into the weekend. At one point, it was significantly lower. And we can take a look and see what the culprit is here. And it looks like AUD USD buy trades are the culprit here. Yep, so most of our biggest drawdown comes from the AUD USD trades, and we can take a look at that. And obviously with Agimat here, I'm not able to actually see the trades on my chart. So we'll just continue to watch it. Hopefully next week we'll see AUD USD drop, because I believe, where was it here? Yep, we're in buy trade, so we needed to not drop. We're in buy trade, so we need to start moving back up again. Let's go ahead and make this a little bit smaller and see what things look like. All right, so as we can see, we'd like to get back up here somewhere, and we are definitely moving against our open trades. All right, so let's go ahead now, take a look at account history. And first day of the week was the 29th. So we did actually close out quite a lot of trades. We started taking or closing out trades on the 30th, so Tuesday it looks like. And let's see what groups we have to start. Small group here. And looks like a 6 trade group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trade group here. As we can see, we have several small losses, followed by this $135 win there. Then we have 2 trades right here, both of them smaller wins. 1 trade here for $3. 2 trades here, both small wins. A $2.34 win. We got 3 trades here. And let's keep on going down, see if we have any big wins. Nope, no more big wins. Just a lot of smaller winning trades that kind of got us to that 1.68%, I believe it was. So definitely happy to see that. Hopefully going into next week, we can see this AUD USD start to push up in the direction we need it to go, so that we can start closing out those trades. But like I said, as we get into the Christmas season, I do expect things to become a little bit more difficult. Well, I shouldn't say difficult. We'll have to wait and see how things go. I'm not sure if I've ever tested Agimat around the Christmas season or around the holiday season. So either way, this will be definitely something good for us to see, or a good period for us to test and see how it does during this period. And let's go ahead and jump back over here. And before we take a look at your guys' results, we'll go ahead over here and take a look at George's here. We'll check out both of his accounts, as well as Kelvin's and Vincent's here. All right, so let's start with George here. And to begin with, we're going to take a look at his $5,000 account. And as you can see, he earned 2.77% this week. And he was able to close out November with 1.84%. And we can come to his larger account, $74,000 deposit there. And we can come down here. He earned 2.63%. And on that $75,000 account, that is $2,236. Actually, he deposited 74. Current balance is 87,000. Okay, so definitely doing well. And again, I'm assuming he has some pretty heavy drawdown, just like I'm in right now. But like I said before, we're gonna let Agimat do its thing and just continue to watch it. It's been in drawdown in the past and it's handled it well, so we'll see how it does on this occasion. All right, let's come back over here, check out Kelvin's account. All right, Kelvin's account is up 2.12%. And as we can see, definitely has some heavy drawdown as well. And he closed out the month of November up 6.97%. Okay, so he is doing extremely well. Let's take a look back here. 14, 12, 13, 11, 6.22, 7.9, 5.01. All right, so yeah, he's definitely doing extremely well here. All right, let's keep on moving here down the line. And we can check out Vincent's FX Blue accounts. And we can come up here to stats, I believe it is. All right, so 2.9% this week. And stats here. All right, 2.6% this week. And again, floating profit and loss is heavy on both of his accounts, as we can see. So like I said, we're going to just be patient with it. Hopefully Agimat next week can get us out of some of those trades that we're currently in drawdown with. And actually, I'd like to see if the same trades are giving us trouble here. Let's go over here to... Okay, so yeah, we can't see open orders, but I'm guessing it's most likely the same trades that are giving us trouble. All right, let's go ahead and refresh the page here. Hey folks, today is November the 26th. All right, let's scroll down. Looks like we had 10 comments. Let's go ahead and head down here and see. All right, thanks for the update. I see a rotating door of pairs causing drawdown. Euro USD, AUD USD, and Euro Japanese Yen. If anyone else took that last pair, this rotation is definitely far more preferable than having GBP and ZD causing all of the drawdowns. The current drawdown is far more spread out, thereby minimizing a considerable amount of risk, i.e. all three pairs will need to go against Agimat for us to have lost the same amount as one pair to have gone against us. If anyone else is interested in me testing a pair out, do let me know. I'm more than happy to do live account testing and will report updates and findings here. Have a great weekend. All right, I did notice that on the website, Agimat's website, they did include NZD Japanese Yen pair now, so that's something I'm going to be looking at in the future. And I know George said he's going to look at potentially adding that to his testing as well. So we'll see about NZD Japanese Yen. All right, November was a good month for me, 5.23% on my USD account. Added additional equity, been some big drawdown with approximately 7 to 12% constantly, up 50.98% in total. Very nice. All right, thanks for the update this week, 5.04% for me. I think USD sell-off will likely continue, so I hope we can get out of this current drawdown, you and me both here. All right, thanks for the video. I've been using the Agimat EA for a few weeks now. This week I achieved 2% in profit. Very nice. Drawdown for me is 12% with AUD USD being the main culprit. All right. Let's keep on going here. Vincent, thanks Larry, grateful for the week, ranging from 1.98% to 4.89%. Just escaped 40 days floating Euro NZD on one account with about 1% loss. Now coming another round of drawdown from recommended major pairs Euro USD and AUD USD, as well as Euro NZD on another account. I still keep GBP, Japanese Yen, and Euro AUD besides Euro NZD on several accounts. All right, so it looks like everybody is definitely still in profit, but everybody is also definitely still in quite a bit of drawdown still. So we're going to hopefully go into next week closing out some of this drawdown here. And again, this was last week results. So if you guys have updates this week, if you're still in some heavy drawdown, definitely let me know in the comments. I don't want to just report the good things and the good news, regardless of what the market gives us. I definitely will be here to share that with you guys. So like I said, definitely let me know in the comments how you're doing with Agimat this week. All right, if you guys have any other questions whatsoever on Agimat, send them my way, and I'll try to get those answered for you. And if you want to test it out for yourself, make sure you guys use the link below to help support the channel. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you on the 10th of December for our next weekly update review. Take care, folks.